What's up? I'm gonna get in here and try to get the front clip off this truck.
I can do this. I did it!
All right, to the best of my knowledge, it's gonna be a body bolt and a body bolt. And then there's a bolt inside where your knee is at in the floorboard area. And there's gonna be one outside underneath the fender. Besides that, I think this whole front end should literally just come off with about 7, 8 bolts. There's gonna be 2 grounding straps, I'm sure. So let's see if we can get that off. Now, hold your horses for a second. I know I got radiator, things of that nature I've got to undo. We will work around that and go from there. It's extremely hot in the shop. My GoPro continues to overheat. So I've got a small fridge in here. We'll take some footage, move on, throw my camera in the fridge. And then it's one of the small ones. It doesn't get super cold. Do some more work back in the fridge. So bear with me. This is the realities of a YouTube channel that hasn't made any money. So you're welcome. And I'm praying for some good things to happen with my job. You know, I work full time and I'm just praying for some good things with that and some good things with my home life. Everything's fine. Just like to have some improvements in life. So just, you know, throwing those out there if anybody's praying. Anyways, let's get some wrenching done on this truck. My brother came over the other day. I will show some of that footage now. So you see we got the bed off. It was not too bad of an issue. I wanted to keep some of this floor and that's because I'm lazy. Camera overheated. It also has a front disc conversion. If anybody is interested in the chassis of this truck with the powertrain and brand new fuel tank, all of those components, please let me know. I'm gonna try to separate this cab and I'm gonna cut out the floor and keep the steering column, pedals, everything intact. That's my plan. So hopefully this chassis should be able to drive onto a trailer. And I mean, it could do more than that. It has brand new tires on it. They're Yokohama Geolanders with some new American racing rims. But if anyone's interested, please let me know. The axle's been rebuilt, all that good jazz, disc brake conversion. I'm keeping the body. All right, let me get to it. Cut the entire harness from the voltage regulator, the battery, the headlights are all stripped. I've got the engine harness isolated. Only thing I have to do is cut a little hardware mount that holds the starter cable. Heater core hoses are cut. Those are brand new. Man, it feels weird doing this. Everything is cut. I've got to undo the speedometer cable and the parking brake cable, which I hate to say this, those might get cut. Speedo cable's brand new. Tail light harness, it's cut. Tag lights, those are new. That's cut. There's that new exhaust all the way up to the header. Everything's cut. I just need to pull these fender bolts, the straps, front end, and let's see if we can get this thing going. My idea is to, I've got to undo the radiator too. My idea is to pull forward and then up, but to do that, I think I have to pull the front bumper off as well, which might get cut at the frame mounts that mount to the frame. We'll see. Bear with me. I'm trying to get these body bolts out. I'm guessing they're 3/4 or larger on this front core support. From what I can tell, this is going to be a nightmare, just being very honest. This one is surrounded by everything you can think of. Okay, that is a 3/4. It's at a really bad angle. I don't know where my extension is. I got like a 2-foot extension. Well, how big? I might have to use a swivel. Man, I really hate to get lost that. I am running low on tools, I can tell you that. Man. All right, let's see. Oh, here's one. I can get an impact on that, we'll see. Watch your ears. All right, let me see. Change this up. What do you know? Everything's stripping. Not the bolts, but the anchors. Ugh. Yes, I know there's no rust. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at it? Incredible. Yes, sir. Look at these pinch welds real quick in the back. This is snake weather, Mercy. All right. I don't like this. I'm teetering on 3 pads. I need adjustable cups right here.
Daddy.
What?
You need to keep your eye. If you don't have any shoes at Memo's house in her grass, you know there's a snake in there in her grass.
I didn't know there was a snake in Meemaw's grass.
There was snake skin under the house.
Oh. How old do you think that is?
What is it?
Top of a Coke can. All right, let me cut these body bolts.
You ready to shoot her now?
Because they are in a bad spot. Okay, we got the truck completely unbolted. Only thing left is the bumper. As you can see. And yeah, she's rocking, I know. It is what it is. Don't get under it. I gotta get this bumper off or pry the front end of the truck just over this cap. If you look right in here. Let's just try. A little character's not gonna hurt anybody. Looks like somebody's already tried it. Oh yeah, that bumper's so wobbly I can get that off. All right, I'm gonna set a time lapse, you'll get to see it by myself. There's gas up there. That's a radiator, Mercy. Oh, you talking about the green stuff?
Uh-huh.
That's soda. We do not drink soda.
Oh.
It's called antifreeze, Mercy.
Oh.
It's not soda, it's just a joke. It's antifreeze. All right, she's apart. Wow, this is going quick. I've got it taken apart in a fashion that hopefully the little bit of wiring you can still crank up the chassis.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot, isn't it?
Thanks.
What do you think, Mercy?
I think it looks awesome.
It looks awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Almost as awesome as your shoes. Give them a kick, Mercy. All right. Don't get your shoes dirty in here.
They're new.
They are new. That's all for today.
What?
Talking to the camera. If anyone's interested in this powertrain truck, Ford 9-inch or the disc conversion, please let me know. All right. Oh, I need some windows. Or the brand new tires and rims. Hey Mercy, grab your drink on the counter.
What about yours?
I'm hot. See you in the next one.